Explanation. One day, the little girl feels very sad, as she thinks nobody in the house, her mummy, daddy, granny, loves her. She has a younger sister, cared by everyone in the house. She was sitting behind the sofa for little time, but nobody noticed her. She cries for no reason. She feels insecure, as she thought everybody is interested only in younger sister. She thinks to go away in some interesting places, like mountains and forests, eat fruits on trees, and make friends with birds and animals, or go to the desert, take camel ride, sleep in a tent, or travel to North Pole and live in an igloo made of ice, make friend with the polar bear, and she feels something soft against her back and sees her sweet little younger sister. First she gets annoyed, but afterwards realizes that she has grown up and can take care of her own, but the baby can't. So she feels baby will cry if she leaves the home, and then decides she will wait till the baby gets little older